Hello, I'm Chris Mueller, and I'm your son or daughter's probability and statistics teacher. We have probability and statistics periods 2, 4, and 6 during the day. It is a dual credit course through Northeast Community College. And basically what probability and statistics class is about, it's about collecting, graphing, displaying, describing, and analyzing data objectively. Now, I'm going to take you through what the students see, and this is basically everything we have is on Google Classroom. So I'll go to period 2 here, and the stream is what the students really like to be on, because basically everything I put on there is listed here in order of how I load it up into Classroom. A little bit more organized place is the classwork tab, where at the top here I have a calendar that students see what we've done every day. If they're gone, basically every day we have, whether we have a test or a quiz, what the learning target standard is, what the learning target is, and the assignment. And basically it's a one-stop shop again if they're going to be gone or if they have been gone, for what we do every day of class. Now, I have everything. This is a standards-based course, so I have everything here listed by standard. Right now we're studying standard 4 two-variable categorical data. And we have 2 learning targets. Well, we're on the first learning target, so I have all the learning target materials here, notes, examples, practice work, anything like that they need us at any time. And I have activities on here. I have a student tracker where they keep track of their progress throughout a standard, and I have everything dating back all the way to the first standard. Now, if you go all the way down to the bottom, and the reason I put this at the bottom is because it's right where students can access if they need it. But I have the syllabus for if the student's taken the course for just high school credit or for college credit through Northeast. And if you want to, you can go on there and look at all my class rules and everything are on there, grading policies on there, which I'm going to talk about in a second. But everything you need, how to get me by email, how to get me contact me by cell phone, everything's on there that you need. Now, if we do talk about grading, this class, just like all the other classes at Norfolk High School, is 85% summative, in this case meaning tests, and 15% formative, which is basically in this class quizzes. A lot of the work we do during class is done during the class period, and we don't have a lot of work outside of class, so therefore I don't grade any of the practice work. Right now, in terms of summative assessments, which is 85% of the grades, we've had 3 tests so far with 6 learning targets, and then in terms of formative, we've had 6 quizzes over 6 learning targets, so that encompasses what their grade is. So if you want to check that, just go to your son or daughter's infant campus page, and you can look on there to see what their grades have been for those. Reassessment policy is the same as what it is at Norfolk High School. If they want to reassess targets, they have 2 weeks to do that. But like I said, everything's online that they need, and if they're gone or so forth, they can access that through Google Classroom, and their grades are all online. If you access those, you should be able to see what they have for a grade in this course based on summative and formative assessments. So again, if you have any questions beyond that, you can always email me or you can call me. Again, my cell phone number is listed in the syllabus down here in either syllabus, and you can look at those if you want to know more about the class. So again, if you need anything, please let me know and get a hold of me. I'd be glad to talk to you. Have a good day and have a good evening.